How's everybody doing? And welcome back to another one. A night adventure like you noticed. Well, I'm ready to go. Waiting for the rest of the people. Because today, we're going to another party. If you guys noticed, this weekend has been non-stop party. Yesterday was a party at South Beach. And I hope you guys like the video. And today is one of my friends, Marlo's twin girls' 15th. And you guys are coming along for the party. I have never personally been to a twin 15th. So it's going to be interesting. Something new to experience. And let's go have some fun. And you know what's the best thing about this party? That I'm the DJ. Now, let's see what everybody's up to. As usual, waiting. Big mamas, you ready? Look at sexy mama. Sexy mama looking ready. I like the blue. Blue like the ocean. Like the ocean. I got a little bit of blue, right? Right. So let me get the rest of the clan going. Yuli, you're not going today. You're not going today, right? Nope, you're not going. Yo, you ready? Okay, Fresco. Let's go with the show. So, and you guys notice if you guys live here locally in Miami, it has been raining the whole weekend since Friday. So right now, it's still raining. But we're gonna try to make the best of it. So hopefully we don't get wet and ruin our outfits. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Rain, rain, rain. Oh, beautiful rain. Beautiful rain.
Mom, can you do it back my thing?
Let's go.
We never did it.
What?
My dress.
Can't get wet. My hair is gonna get wet, so I gotta hurry up. All right, so that was a quick peek behind the scenes because I had to go put the computer on the DJ system. And now let's go back to the beginning of the party. So, you know, we don't want to mess that up. So we're here waiting around, talking and having a few finger snacks and a few drinks. And the thing is, these girls been together with Aquito since pre-K. It's been a many-year journey together, and it's beautiful to see them develop to young ladies and young men, and they have celebrated many birthdays together. And we have finally made it upstairs to the main event, and like you guys can see, this place is beautiful. And also, not just the girls, but this group of friends been together since pre-K, so it's great to see them again all together.
Ladies, you may be seated.
Y están aquí por el amor que me tienen a mí, que yo les tengo a ellos, por todo el trabajo que hacemos juntos. Gracias a mi orquesta, gracias a Tito Puente Jr. que está por ahí, Carlito y Zoraida, thank you for being here. Everybody that's here with us tonight, thank you so much. We're so happy to have you here with us tonight. And we hope you're going to have a wonderful, wonderful time the rest of this night. Drink, eat, Richard Stone. Thank you for being here. Thank you for staying around for so many years.